Hey everyone, in this full guide, I'll show you how to remove background in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. So whether you want green screen effects, cinematic edits, reaction videos, or professional compositions, yeah, DaVinci Resolve includes powerful tools for removing and replacing backgrounds. First, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project where you want to remove the background. Next, import your video clip into the media pool and drag it onto the timeline. Now click the Fusion page at the bottom of DaVinci Resolve. Fusion is where advanced background removal and compositing tools are located. If your clip uses a green screen, add the Delta key or node to remove the background automatically. To make the final result look more realistic, add background blur, shadows, lighting, or color grading. Once everything looks good, preview the full video carefully and export the final version in high quality. And that's basically how to remove background in DaVinci Resolve in 2026. With Fusion tools, Delta Keyer, and AI masking features, you can create professional-looking background removal effects directly from your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.